Hi everyone and welcome back to the CADReader Tutorial Series. In Lesson 5, we're going to show you how to convert a layout model. First, let's quickly understand what layouts and models are in CAD. In CAD, a layout is like a paper sheet. You organize how your drawing will look when printed. Add notes, titles, and borders. The model space is where you create your design at full scale. Sometimes objects exist only in a layout. Converting them to model space lets us edit, reuse, or include them in the main design. Let's jump into how to convert a layout to model in CADReader. There are two scenarios. Scenario 1. Drawing without external references. Open your drawing in CADReader, click VIP, and select External Reference Manager. Here, we can see this drawing doesn't have any external references, so we can continue. Switch to the Layout tab. Click VIP, then choose Export Layout. Select the location where you want to save the exported file. CADReader will automatically save it as a new drawing. Click Open on the top left corner and select the file you just saved. Now, you'll see a new drawing that was exported from the layout, ready to edit in model space. Scenario 2. Drawing with external references. Open a new drawing in CADReader, click VIP, and select External Reference Manager. Here we can see this drawing has a few external references. Before exporting the layout, we need to bind all references and save it as a new file. Click Open and select the file you just saved. Go back to VIP, select External Reference Manager, and you'll notice there are no external references left. Now, switch to the Layout tab, click VIP, select Export Layout, choose your save path, and click Save. When you see the notification, click Open again. Now, the layout is fully converted into model space, and all objects are editable. Before we wrap up, here are a few quick tips. That's all for this lesson. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.